Hi, this is Shabir and I will be doing unboxing for you for the new HP keyboard, wireless keyboard launched in the market. The model number is K3500. It comes with the Chiclet keyboard, the new Chiclet keyboard, and it has a USB receiver also. It has USB receiver, it has two AA batteries as stated on the box. It has some guidelines, a Chiclet keyboard, USB receiver, two AA batteries, and some guides. It has a serial number also. Make sure one which you have does have it. It is compatible with Windows 8 Best, and it is also compatible with other softwares till XP till Windows 10. So let's unbox it fast so that you get to see the keyboard as fast as you can. Also, let's see the price. The price is 900 rupees, 909 rupees, and I got it for 880 rupees from Amazon. It has the Link 5 connectivity keyboard, and it is best compatible with Windows 10. Okay, it is an English keyboard. I bought it from Amazon. Okay, so what do we have in the box? See some user guide. We won't be needing it right now, so let's keep it aside. We have a small USB receiver for the keyboard, so let's keep it on the side. We will be having our brand new wireless keyboard. So how does this keyboard work? Let's see. This keyboard has superb keys. What keys? Awesome. It has very swift keys. Spacing between each keys is very nice. All the new laptops have the same keys. So this is a keyboard, a Chiclet keyboard for the desktop. So what are the keys? The keys have Windows 8 options most probably. It has 4 Windows 8 keys for switching and tab options. It has 4 music keys. It has again 4 Windows 8 keys, so it has total 8 keys, 4 and 4, 8. And we have 4 music keys and 3 music keys and 1 hibernate option. It has also a numerical keypad option. Okay, the keyboard looks very nice. Let's have a look. The closer option. Okay, it's nice. It will be good while using it. It's best for gaming and playing CS. So let's see the various angles of the keyboard. Okay, it's very slim. Can you see this? It's very slim. Sure, it looks good in my hand. Have a look. So the keyboard looks quite good, and we are going to see where are the batteries. Here are the 2 batteries in this. I will open it for you. Before that, we have got one connect option over here. The bad part of this keyboard, I didn't like it, that it does not have on off switch, which it should have it. But since it does not have it, no problem. We have got another good options also. Oh, it was tough. Okay, it has 2 Duracell batteries, 2 AA battery size. Not bad at all. I think this AA batteries will last approximately till 3 months, 3 months or so. It depends upon how much you play CS. I'm going to use it for commercial purpose, no problem. So it has one connect option button. It has no on off switch. That's bad. It has only a connect button, nothing else, and only 2 AA battery options, and it has nothing else in it. The keyboard is quite light in weight. The weight is very less, and it looks very good while typing. The typing is quite smooth. You can see that. It's quiet also. It's not even noisy. It's quiet, and it feels good in hand. That's the best thing. It's black, so even if your dirt places on the key, it won't be seen. It's quite tested from HP and then should. So this was a normal unboxing from me. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and I will answer it very soon. Okay, thank you so much.